Hey guys, just a quick video on how to lift tongue and groove floorboards without wrecking them too badly. Tongue and groove is a pain in the ass because when it's nailed down like this 50s old floorboard is, when you try and lift it up, what happens is, as you can see on this piece, you basically end up ripping the tongue and groove to pieces, which pretty badly damages the floorboards, and it's also really difficult to do. So you see here, this tongue and groove is pretty much ripped off. So what I've discovered is a cunning little way to do it without totally wrecking it. And what you'll need is your jigsaw. Well, you can probably do this with a circular saw that has a good depth stop. All I've done there is I've taken I've just cut the jigsaw down to a short length, so it's just long enough at the full extension of the saw to reach the bottom of the just beyond the tongue and groove, so the depth of the wood. I'll show you here. You can see here, if I line this up, that you've got the saw only just extends beyond the tongue there, which is great. So that means what you can do then is drill a small hole, somewhere here for example, just as a little starting hole, and then you can zip all the way along the tongue, and then lifting the board out is a piece of cake. Just do a quick check for nails in the path and that sort of thing before you do, but other than that it should be good. I had to cut the blade here because this is hardened steel generally, high speed steel. I use my Dremel with a cut-off wheel just to zing the end off and then cut a little bit of relief on the back of that blade. And Bob's your uncle. Just tried it and it works a treat. So there you go, top tip: lifting tongue and groove floorboards without wrecking it.